Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add token to Phantom Wallet. For that you need to launch Phantom Wallet, and after that on the home page you are going to see this manage token list section. So you need to tap on this option, and here you are going to see Solana, Ethereum and Polygon Matic. So if you want to add these on the home page, then you just have to turn the toggle button on right next to it. If you want to add any other coin on the home page, then you simply need to search for that token in the search bar. Let's say I want to add USDT, so I'll simply type USDT, but it is showing me that USDT token is not available, because it will available when you have USDT in your account. If you don't have USDT or that crypto in your account, then you will not be able to add that on the home screen. So in order to receive the crypto from any other wallet, you will have to tap on the receive button in the top. Then you just have to copy any of the networks like Polygon, Solana and Ethereum, and then you just have to receive USDT or any other coin from any other exchanges. Only then you will be able to add that on the home page. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.